Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about Realme 8i. So let's start with the design. On the right spine you can see power button which works as a fingerprint sensor, and on the left spine we have volume buttons and SIM tray. Up top you can see it's really neat and clean, and this side we have 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C port, speaker grill and primary microphone. At the back, phone comes with this glossy finish. You can also see the camera module which says 50 megapixels, and here we have Realme branding. On the front, you get 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display which has 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. So in all lighting conditions, you will get good results from this phone. For your smooth performance, you get MediaTek Helio G96 processor which works on 12nm fabrication, and for your multitasking you get 6GB or 4GB of RAM. For your media storage you get 64 or 128GB of storage, and also overall performance of this phone is really smooth, so you will enjoy your gaming session on this phone. For your cameras you get 50:2:2 triple camera setup. The 2 megapixel is the black and white, and another 2 megapixel is the macro sensor. On the front you get 16 megapixel front camera in this punch hole. On the battery side you get 5000 mAh of massive battery which supports 18 watts of fast charging. On the software front you get Realme UI with Android 11. So that's it about Realme 8i. Thanks for watching.